Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable ShareASale account approval for new affiliates, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable ShareASale account approval for new affiliates, start by logging into your ShareASale account. Once logged in, navigate to the Merchants tab on the main dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. In the Account Settings section, find the Affiliate Registration option. Click on Affiliate Registration to access the settings for new affiliates. Here, you will see different options for approving new affiliates. Select the Automatic Approval option if you want affiliates to be approved instantly. If you prefer manual approval, choose the Manual Approval option. With manual approval, each new affiliate application will require your review. After selecting your preferred approval method, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You will find the Save Settings button. Click on Save Settings to apply your changes. Next, navigate to the Affiliates tab to monitor new applications. Here, you can view any pending applications if you chose manual approval. For automatic approval, affiliates will be granted access without delay. Ensure your commission structures and terms are well defined. This will help new affiliates understand your program better. Always keep communication open for new affiliates with welcoming messages. Once everything is set, you can start attracting new affiliates to your program. Regularly check your account settings to make adjustments as needed. This ensures your affiliate program remains effective and up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.